E85 is a potent fuel that is up to 85% ethanol and 15% gasoline. However, the actual amount of ethanol in E85 fuel at the pump can vary from 51% up to 83%. E85 Flex fuel makes big power, burns cleaner, and is made in the USA. It is very stable and compatible with modern performance engines. E85 is also less expensive than premium fuel or race gas and is readily available at your local gas station. So, how do you safely get the performance you need from E85? Say hello to Proflex Commander, a plug-and-play E85 Flex fuel system that allows you to immediately start making more power running E85. No tuning required. Just plug it in, fill your tank, and go. The Proflex Commander measures E85 Flex Fuel's true ethanol level and knows how much fuel to deliver and when to deliver it to maximize your engine's power regardless of your existing tune. Proflex offers true inline real-time flex fuel management and is a snap to install. With Proflex Commander, there is no guesswork. The smartphone app even tells you exactly what percentage of ethanol you're running. So what are you waiting for? Choose the Proflex Commander for your vehicle below.